Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Stealth Camping Alliance Train Challenge nomination event. My name is Yoast. Yoast is your host tonight and he is on location. He had to attend a wedding in the UK and now he is standing somewhere in London. I think he is in a pub. He apped me the name of the place. It's called 02 Arena. Strange name for a pub. I think Yoast misspelled it. That must be something like the O's Arena pub in London, I guess. We are trying to get connection. No connection? Let's start a video, while we are waiting for connection with Yoast. Guys. This is not the video. We need the one with the participants. Yes. Train challenge, yes. Man, come on. Sorry for the inconvenience, ladies and gentlemen.
Stealth Camping Alliance. Yes.
Yes. This is the right one. We
Hey,
start
guys.
off with Ryan on the run. I like that name. Fits an outlaw. Ryan is from Canada. In Canada there is always snow. I like this video. The crispy sounds of the snow.
Wicked!
Marvelous. Really nice.
Your tent all set up. Classic Canadian setup.
Next on the long list is Sam. He is from Australia, the land of the kangaroos. Sam is a pro stealth camper. Well organized. It looks pretty warm. No snow there. But they have books down there. I wonder what book Sam is reading. Could be a thriller. Maybe a detective. Science fiction? We don't know. What I do know is that I like this video. Sam doesn't say a word. His actions speak for themselves. The third video is from the camping Kiwi. That must be New Zealand. Aotearoa. Did I pronounce that right? Probably not. Beautiful nature down there. Look at that. Just amazing. You know? I like this video. The food I don't know. Could be tasty. And he tops it off with a Guinness. Awesome. And what do we have here? Oh. This is Belgium. Land of the Beun. Is he going to camp in someone's backyard? And what is he doing now? Very inappropriate behavior. He's tearing his pants apart. Obelix would say, strange people, those Belgians. There he goes again. No shame in his game. I like that. Somehow. Camp like a Beun. What is he doing now? Never mind. Awesome. Footage from inside the Batmobile. Yes, you heard that right. We are looking at the Fat Batman, also known as Steve the Transit Camper.
Don't forget, Stealth Camping Alliance. It's really quiet here, so I can't say it too loud. Stealth Camping Alliance!
Now, that's what I call Batmanish behavior. A bit scary. Mrs. Baby doesn't look scared. She looks like a Jedi Knight. Maybe she is. Back inside the Batmobile. High-tech equipment. The real deal. No fake. Amazing. I like this video.
It's been 1 year since I've started doing these challenges.
Congratulations. 1 year is a milestone.
You want to say hi, George? Yeah, what's up, man? So, this is stealth camping, huh? Yeah, it actually is. Huh. Doesn't look like much. Yeah, well, you gotta kind of get used to it. Alright, cool. Well, there's nothing going on except for the update. So, Stealth Camping Alliance, March Challenge.
Nice to meet you, George. You seem like a nice chap. I like this video.
Awesome.
Look at that construction. Beautiful. I think Hojangle built that bridge herself. She can build anything. She got superpowers. Is that a drone? Or is it Hojangle flying around? Impressive stuff. I like this video. Nice.
And for dinner, I have one of my recent freeze-dried meals. Cheeseburger mac. Still really hot. Ooh. That is really good though.
Really good though? Hojangle Industries freeze-dried meals are the best. Believe me. It's true. Grave digger time, baby.
That's a train track.
What is he doing? Peeping over the edge? Is he swearing? Oh my. Hardcore. What is he up to? Man. Get under that to me, ya man. Next level stealth camping. Wicked. Insane. I like this video. Hobo style, bro. Goodness gracious.
That's good, baby.
What can I say? Don't try this at home. Obviously. Unbelievable. Mind-blowing. Oh yes, there's Yoast, with his new hammock. Let's try to contact him after this awesome video. Mix it up. Yoast gave me a list of songs. He wants me to announce the songs he mixed. Like an old school DJ. So hear me, MC Juice T. Next song is Platform 1 by Clint Eastwood and General Saint. Stop that train.
The next train will be leaving from platform 1.
She just self-dumping, bro. She'll be back tomorrow. Smoke that strain. I want to get high.
You telling me she sleeps outside tonight? Stealth camping kicks ass.
Stop whining and start rolling.
I can Stealth camping alliance.
Your baby is just sleeping outside. Stealth Camping Alliance. Nominee.
Plays a girl 420. We got plenty.
So chill and fill up that bar.
Do you feel like Humpty Dumpty?
This is Mary J. time. He's up, homie. OMG.
I hear something. Must be the O's Arena pub in London. Hello Yoast. Can you hear me? Hello Yoast. We do have some kind of connection, but we can't hear you. Hello Yoast. The people over there seem to hear me quite well. Good evening London. Let me hear you. London. How do you like the videos so far? Fantastic. You are a lovely bunch of people. Give yourselves a decent round of applause. Are you feeling irie? I tell you this. We have lots more to come. Yes. Let's continue. Shall we? Hey. Wait a Zephyr. That sounds familiar. And it looks familiar too. It's Camp Like a Beun again. The Orient Express in Belgium? That must be fake. Still, looking good so far. Beautiful location. I like this video. Ik vind deze video leuk. Sorry, I'm still working on my Belgium. Oefanen. Veel oefenen. What's Beun doing? He's hiding for some men dressed in yellow. Awesome. Did he get busted by those yellow fellows? Man, this is crazy. He's free again. He looks happier being free. This is a traditional Belgian dance. To me it looks like the Belgian Minister of Silly Walks. Amazing.
Hi, I just got to my spot here. No caboose.
No caboose. McHappy Camper says no caboose. I believe him. No caboose for sure. No snow either. That means he's not in Canada. Look at his equipment. He got stuff to make a camper happy. Great. I like this video. Good location. Yes. No caboose. Rain and red light. McHappy Camper is not going for the Hulk mode. He must be too happy for Hulk mode. What is he doing now? This must have something to do with the no caboose. Interesting. And there he goes. There you have Squib with a beer. That's a good start. Oh, he's being dropped off. Left alone. He wanders into the bushes. He sets up camp like a pro. Amazing skills. There he goes again. Armed with a stick he heads out to battle some bushes.
Showtime, guys.
What is he doing? It seems like he knows no fear. I betcha, he even thinks this is funny.
Oh, well, that was fun. Man.
What did I tell you? Look at that fire. And look at that piece of meat.
I don't want to do this.
Squid knows how to cook a meal. Yummy. Look at that. Awesome. Michelin star worthy. It's the next morning. That means Squib is going to prepare breakfast.
That's good.
Wouldn't it be great if he had a TV show of his own? Camp and cook with Squib. That would make the world a better place. Look at him asserting his dominance over that food. And there he goes back home. Mission accomplished.
Hey y'all, this is Daniel with Hammock Mountain. We're going to see if we can catch a train. Train tracks are just right over that hill there. And so I'm going to sit here and eat my lunch.
This is all about trains. I don't want to sit here and watch him eating.
This is all about trains, so you don't want to sit here and watch me eat. So I'm going to cut this off.
Look at that. That's a beautiful train. Wow, he's gonna spend the night in the back of a pickup truck. Love, I like that. And who is this cutie? Oh, wow. Very hulkish green. Hammock Mountain, that was awesome.
Hey everybody, Paul with KUSH in the Bush. I'm here for the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance Train Challenge. Dropped by Yoast, the man himself.
Yoast will appreciate that. Is that YouTube? Wow, KUSH in the Bush was almost busted there. By the way, do you see the snow? Yes, we're in Canada. Lots of snow and lots of weed. KUSH, ganja, herb, sensimilia, high grade, collie weed. Yeah, Paul is going hard. He camps the way he smokes weed. Full force. And no temperature can stop this guy. Minus many degrees, but there's always a cool breeze with KUSH in the bush. Weird. The Hulk has a beard. Now he's sitting on a train. I like this. Here we have Walks with Wag.
A legend that's haunted Louisville for years, the tale of a monster lurking on a train trestle, waiting for his next victim.
How about that? The legend of a lurking monster. Walks with Wag must have superpowers too. Defeating lurking monsters on the go. Oh, what a nice bridge. Awesome. What is she doing there? Hiding for a monster? Wow.
In the car. And the train's coming. Oh my goodness.
She is now hiding in the car. I think that dog is also a monster slayer. Or is it a prince who was transformed into a dog by an evil wizard? Anything is possible. Wait a minute. Donuts for step 2? Are they filled with bourbon?
There's the train track.
Yeah, got the train track here. Oh look, there is a trail going down.
You want to follow it? See where it goes?
I found a Joseph.
Let's do this.
No children are featured in this video. You may think Joseph is a child, but there is more than meets the eye. We have a lot of superheroes in the Stealth Camping Alliance. Joseph is a shapeshifter. Look at him. Powerful performance. Here he creates a chair out of nothing. Now he's making a meal out of a branch. He shifts shapes. Really amazing. By the way, did you know we have another shapeshifter in the Stealth Camping Alliance? Lil Beun is 3 feet tall, but appears bigger. I like this.
Here it comes. Hey, number 2. We got the other one.
What you see here is typical beaver behavior. By laying down on the ground, he marks his territory. The Canadian beaver is also a shapeshifter. Look, here he is a giant. Now he's back to normal proportions. Is he going to sleep there? No. And now he is standing next to a toy train.
And unfortunately, with me, time restraints and the weather just held me back. I guess too much for the beef for this month. And always remember to follow your nose.
Stealth Camping Alliance Train Challenge set by Yoast. Yoast? Yoast. Yoast. Got myself some holy water from the church. I guess the red light means there's no train coming. Keep looking over my shoulder. Turn around. So, wonder if I could camp in one of these tunnels.
Camp in one of those tunnels? Of course not. Wait a second. That is awesome. And he even has a train passing over his campsite. No way. Oh, his battery died. That's sad. Rest in peace, battery. JN Knight. That's a cool name. Do not change that. I think this is video number 420. Lots of participating participants. JN Knight is going steady. I've not yet discovered his superhero special power. Oh, wait, there is smoke coming out of his mouth. Where there is smoke, there is fire. He must have some kind of dragon power. Spitting fire. That's hardcore.
Whoa. You know what? Green for the green. That's what we'll do. Yeah. Welcome to the green zone.
Oh man. Will this be the fire-spitting Hulk? Unbelievable. I like this.
What happened?
And I'm just continuing down the Tidal Marsh Trail. It's really pretty. It's after sunset. And there's some critters milling about. But let me show you a picture of what I'm looking at. Isn't that pretty? I just passed about a half a dozen people Some of them had been fishing.
Fishing, you say? Maybe they were doing the catch and cook challenge? Awesome. The more the merrier.
It's getting late. I've got to get up early because tomorrow's a work day, so. Oh, and there's another train.
Everybody likes trains.
Before we continue with the announcement of the 5 nominees, I would like to say a few words. First of all, I want to thank all the participants for getting outdoors and taking part in this challenge. Outstanding performance from all of you. Mr. Chocolate was right. Everyone's a winner, baby. That's no lie. But who will be the ultimate winner of winners? That's for you to decide. After this video, go to the community page of Yoast and vote for one of the 5 nominees. Meanwhile, I'm walking in darkness. Wow. What was that? Oh, yes, before I forget. The winner of winners will win a personalized glass to upgrade the Step 2 experience. I think I go back inside. Oh, Yoast send me something. Oh, wow. Amazing. It's on Juice TV and Juice TV only, that you get to see the latest news first. Exclusive. For you. We have the wedding pictures of the Fatback Man and Lil Beun. Oh my. They look so happy together. But will they be happy after the nominations? Let's hope so. Juice TV will get you updated with the latest news. Remember, you saw it on Juice TV. Where the news is juice and no caboose. Let's continue with the nomination event. Yoast has separated the best from the rest. These are the nominees: KUSH in the Bush, Hojangle Outdoors, Out of Bounds, Grave Digga, Camp Like a Beun. Fantastic. These are the 5 videos to choose from. Yoast selection needs no correction. Yoast selection needs votes from you, and all of you beautiful people. For now, I would like to say thank you to the black, to the white, the red and the brown, to the purple and yellow. But first I got to bang bang. A big thank you to the people in the O's Arena pub in London. Wicked proud. Juice T loves you. If you have any questions left or right, check the description of the video. There you will find all the answers to your questions. I hope you enjoyed this Stealth Camping Alliance Train Challenge nomination event. It's a global experience, baby. And remember, you saw it first on Juice TV. That's the network you deserve. Juice TV. Always the first, like a nurse that quenches your thirst. Juice TV. Don't let them fool you, or even try to school you. Juice TV or not TV? That's the question. Thank you for watching this epic event. My name is Juice T.
You nailed it, Juice.
Wow, that was wild. What time is it?
4:20.
Oh my, 4:20. Guys, 1 step 3 for Juice T. Pronto, baby.
Do you want the big bag of weed or the pre-rolled ones?
The pre-rolled ones.
Here you go, sweetie.
Yes.
And there's a light.
Nice. Thanks, bro.
Anytime.
I like it like that.
Well deserved, Juice.
Feeling good on a Monday.